When I was looking at Google Earth, I noticed these rectangular shapes in a remote canyon. I took a closer look, and on every end of the mesa, I saw a rectangle. What were all these, and why were they here? There was a large wall of sandstone buttes and a canyon on the other side. So we drove out on a rocky road to explore the desert. Unfortunately, parts of this canyon were burned badly in a wildfire 3 years ago. Halfway through the bumpy ride, we stopped to take a break at a narrow canyon. What we found here was a great surprise. There were at least 8 different grinding holes that we spotted. As we began to take a closer look, we realized that this canyon was filled with ancient petroglyphs of various animals and human figures. I believe this petroglyph was a mountain lion as the tail was long. It is interesting how a natural hole in the rock is positioned where the eye would be. After exploring the small side canyon with all these unexpected finds, we continued on to our main destination. I noticed this volcanic boulder, and it's very unique to this area. I don't know what it is. Let me know what you think in the comments. Up on that mesa top, looks like a little ruin up there. We did not have time to climb to this ruin, but when we got back to our car, I flew my drone to it, and this is how it looked. The wall on this side was well preserved, and there also looked like some sort of structure over here. I flew further down the mesa and spotted this wall. This is the only wall left on this rectangular structure. We just need to get past this one sandstone layer, and it's right up there. This is it. That wall is about 5 feet tall.
It looks like another little mound or something here. We were seeing a couple pottery sherds. And please leave everything where you find it and be respectful. Yeah, it's like possibly a defensive wall. 2 defensive walls that would defend against the valley there.
These ancient hilltop homes had withstood snow and violent monsoon rainstorms for 800 years or more. The roofs had not survived.
Sadly, one day this wall will fall over because it's already on an angle, so you don't want to touch it.
After studying Google Earth, I found about 16 of these rooms all situated on separate hilltops across this canyon. This same canyon has some dwellings that are even more well preserved. I will have a video on those some other time.
There's that ruin, and we spotted another little ruin right up there, so we're going to check that out. That's quite well preserved. There's 2 of them. One is right there, and another is up on that. This looks like the entrance.
For me, what was the most puzzling about the ancient people living here was the lack of water. The washes running through here are dry 10 months out of the year. I searched on Google Earth for a spring in this area, but had no luck. Although we did see pottery sherds here, they were not plentiful, making us think that people did not stay in this area for too long. Maybe they moved on after 1 or 2 generations.
This is very well preserved. The outer walls are made of bigger rocks, and on the inside they filled it with smaller rocks. Sadly, a fire came through here a couple years back and burned some of the area.
We attempted to summit a ridge, but ran into a 5th-class chimney that was too dangerous to ascend. But we will return to this canyon and explore more. Thank you for watching, and please let me know what your favorite part was in the comments.